Okay, the problem with money management is you are limited with the trade size that you are going to trade. Like for example, based on my personality and the way I trade, if I do have $500 capital, uh, the ideal trade size will only be 0.3. That means that's 30 cents per pip. So these are the common things that you're not gonna love when you are practicing money management. However, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can double your trade size. See, for example, mine, I could double my trade size into 0.6 or 60 cents per pip without hurting my account if I lose. Now, before anything else, I will explain some details on money management. This is the capital and the risk that I will going to have for this account. As you could see, it goes down as it goes bigger. And I divide that risk into monthly, weekly, and daily. For the daily, I am allowed to risk $13 per day. See? And that's for the daily. And for that $13, if you're gonna divide it by 0.1, that's 10 cents. So you will have 125 pips to risk. As for myself, based on my personality and strategy, 42 pips is the ideal for me. So then again, in this way, I am allowed only to risk $13. Yet, what I'm going to show you is to trade on 0.6 instead of 0.3 without risking above $13. How is that? Watch this video. So here we got this GBP USD right now, and I have reason to believe, although everybody, including the forum, is telling that GBP will go down. See? And as for me, I have the reason to believe that it will not yet go down. So based on my strategy, as you could see, I'm eyeing here the ABCD pattern. And in trading an ABCD pattern, you could Google it, or in Baby Pips, you could trade both up from C to D and from D to the point where it should get a lot of pips. So anyway, so right now, here is what you're going to do. So based on this pattern on the ABCD, let's go for the 1 hour chart. We can see I'm already waiting for a current entry, and my I entry will be on this price, which is the 0.786 retracement of BC. See, if ever, given that all my indicators are telling me that it's about to trade, so if I am right that it will start on this 0.786 so based on my strategy, I am risking only 40 pips, and I am about to get what? The ideal is the 1.27 extension. That's the ideal for D. Look at here on the 4 hour chart. But I'm just going to get here, just forming a triangle. So ideally, I am risking the trade of 40 pips. Yet my take profit is 72 pips. So now let's go to our money management. So we all know I do have a capital, I do have a capital of 500. So here I could see that 40 pips risk is on the 0.3 factor. So I could not have a trade size of 0.4 because that's already 31, which is my ideal risk based on the pattern I have is 40. So I'm gonna take this amount, this trade size. Now, let's calculate. So here in the 1 hour chart, since we have risk 40, meaning to say, if my calculations is wrong, so what I'm going to lose is that's $12, which is based on our money management. My allowable amount to lose is only $13. So I'm still on the track, right? So not to worry, you're still on the track. You could fight another fight on another day. Like you could trade another trade on the next day. So again, if I lose, I will lose $12. But if my plan was right, I will take 72 pips. So here it goes. So if we will calculate that one, 72 pips times 30 cents. So I have earned $21.60. Let's remove the commissions and the spread of $2. This is based on my broker. So I will be having a $19 profit already. So here's what you are going to do to double your trade size. Since we all know that we are hitting a ABCD pattern, will have a profitable pattern if it is above 0.618. When it goes retrace on the 0.618, but as here you could see it retrace above 0.618, so I am confident enough that if ever he will hit the 1.27, this the market will goes up until to this point. See? So now for my trade plan, once I have confirmed based on my MACD and my indicators that it will go up, now I have confirmed that one, I will place another trade on this price, which is ideally it's on the B side. See? And my stop loss is on the D. That's the ABCD pattern. Now, what I'm going to consider is if I'm going to take the whole of it or just this one. So for me, I'm gonna just take the retracement of 618. See, I'm just gonna take the retracement of 618. For the reasons, I do have reasons on that also. So now that we have a $19 profit on our first trade, our next trade, we will be needing 30 pips to risk, and we will be getting 50 pips if our plan will push through. So here's what you're going to do with that $19 that you already have. Based on your, let's go back to your money management. What you're going to do, remember, you need, for this level from 500, the 120 pips is equivalent to 1 week. That's the goal that we are going to take. So for me to take that goal, because I only managed to get on my first trade was 70. Yes, 72. So I still lack, right? So for me to reach that goal, what I did is since I do have $19 to risk, I find where the $19 is located. This one. See, you could see this one. This is the $19 to risk. And actually, that's the equivalent to a capital of 956. But since this is already what you have won, so since you still have 1 week, no, for that goal to be pushed through, the $19, we're going to take that one. We're going to use this one. So at $19, it says here you have 32 pips to risk. See, let's calculate. See? So having the trade amount of 32 times, that's 0.6. So right, that's true. So you are risking $19, which we already have $19 that we won on our previous trade. So this is where you're going to double your trade size. So what I'm going to do for this particular trade, this one, instead of trading the typical 0.3 trade size, that 30 cents per pip, I'm going to trade right now 0.6, that's 60 pips, 60 cents per pip. That's double the allowable trade size. Now, what will happen if I'm going to lose? If I'm going to lose, if my calculation was right, if my strategy was wrong, then I will end up just the same. I did not hurt my account, right? Still, I am on the track for this week, so I could fight another day. But this is what the benefit is. If my plan trade is right, see, as you could see that one, then I will be getting 50 pips more. So now let's calculate. That's 50 pips times 0.6, since we double our trade size. That's a $30 profit. Plus, no, we have to less the $2 for the commissions and the spread. So you have a total of $28 for that trade. Plus, your profit the last time was $19. So a total of $47 that you already earned for this thing that you're doing without hurting your account. See, now, so if we're going to put now to the capital the 46, so you will be having 546, which is you are now advanced on the 3rd level. So you are now 2 weeks advanced on your goal setting, on your money management setting, which you will have a better ideal pips to tolerable pips to lose, and a better money management to take. So this is how you're going to double your trade size without hurting your account on your money management.